What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna be making a video today. I'm gonna be doing a bike check. You can see my bike if I can get in frame. I've never really made a video like this. Not really. I don't really have anything to do, so I just decided, since I have a broken foot, to make a video. And so yeah, first part of the bike that I'm gonna start with is my Total Kilobeat K2 bars. I took the sticker off. Yeah, very nice bars. And I have the Colt Vans grips on them. I like these grips, but they can get really slippery. They kind of suck when you first get them. You have to wear them down a little bit for them to get like perfect, but yeah. Next part of the bike, I have a Profile Mark Mobile stem, 48mm in camouflage. Very nice stem. Next part I have that I'm going to show you is my Odyssey R32 forks. I have a G-Sport laced with the E-Clat Pulse Hub I have Maxxis grifters on the front and back, 2.1s. And I have Sunday Street sweeper pegs. Next part, I'm going to go with the pedals. I have VP Vice pedals. Really nice pedals. Oh, I can't really say that because I haven't run them yet because I broke my foot. But VP Vice sides. Along with that, I have the Colt Crew Cranks, which I'm kind of going fast here. But I have a tree sprocket. Let's see that logo. 30 tooth tree with a shadow chain. I think it's an interlock. Yeah, it's an interlock chain. Sport. And yeah, I'll give you guys a sound check. It's kind of hard to angle it. Yeah, my background just hit my camera. Yeah. I also have a Deco camouflage sheet. Very nice sheet. And I have a Total camouflage sheet too, but I didn't really like it that much because it's too slim, so I changed back to that. And my frame, I have a Colt D-Heart frame. I sanded it down. I'm not finished with it yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it or keep it like this. But yeah. What else do I have? Oh, and I have my headset. It's a Colt headset. Yep. Thank you for watching, and peace.